Hi, this is Alec Pacella with this week's edition of Daus. In front of me I have the official 2016 Industrial Survey. At NAI Daus we do this every year, actually every quarter, but it's always fun to see on an annual basis how this year stacked up to years past. And this year the thing that really jumps out at me are actually a couple things. Overall vacancy rate is 5.2%. The general rule of thumb, if you will, is a healthy market has a vacancy rate of around 10%. So we're just under half of, or just over half of a healthy market. So clearly our industrial market is surging. The second thing that jumps out at me is there are several markets that are actually outperforming that average. Taking a look at the survey, the East submarket, 3.4%. The Southeast, which is our dominant industrial submarket down through Solon, Twinsburg, Streetsboro, 4.24%. And the Southwest market, which is often forgotten, but that's places like Brunswick, Strongsville, 3.21%. So clearly there's some of the dominant markets, some of the important markets, some of the core markets are performing much better than average. Another thing that jumps out at me, absorption year to date. So that's the change in occupied square footage from one year to the next, 3.28 million square feet. That's a very healthy number. Certainly bodes well for our region and speaks to the strength again of our industrial market. Point out one more thing, construction. Well, we say that one of the signs of a good, solid, strong market is good construction numbers. 1.53 million square feet of industrial construction underway as of the end of 2016. So, love reports like this. This gives great insight and credence. We can feel it in the market that the market's tight, but giving some numbers to it really helps illustrate and drive home that point. So, that is this week's Daus. Hope you have a great weekend and a profitable week ahead. Thanks.